Hey everyone, want to completely hide apps from your iPhone home screen so nobody can see them? Today I'm showing you exactly how to hide apps on iPhone using iOS 18's brand new Hidden Apps feature. I'm demonstrating on my iPhone 13, but this works on any iPhone or iPad with iOS 18 or later. This makes apps completely invisible. Let's dive in. Alright, here's exactly how to hide any app. Find the app you want to hide on your home screen. I'll use Tinder as an example. Press on hold on the app icon for about 2 seconds until a menu pops up. Look for the option that says Require Face ID and tap on it. Now here's the important part. A pop-up will appear with two options: Require Face ID, which just locks the app, and Hide and Require Face ID, which hides and locks the app. Tap on Hide and Require Face ID. A warning message will pop up saying this app will be hidden from your home screen, notifications will be hidden, and more. Read the warning, then tap Hide App to confirm. Authenticate with Face ID or enter your passcode, and just like that, poof, the app completely disappears from your home screen. It's now in your secret hidden folder. So you've hidden some apps, but how do you access them when you need them? Here's how. Swipe left on your home screen all the way to the last page until you reach the app library. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the app library and you'll see a folder called Hidden with a padlock icon next to it. Tap on Hidden and your iPhone will ask for Face ID or your passcode. Go ahead and authenticate. Now you'll see all your hidden apps in this secret folder. Tap on any app to open it. Every single time you want to access this hidden folder, you'll need Face ID or your passcode, so it stays completely private. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. And that's it. Now you know how to completely hide apps on iPhone using iOS 18. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.